This is the world, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a new slide and manage a slide in PowerPoint 2016. When you launch for the first time the PowerPoint, this is what you see, and you can choose from this slide come with a PowerPoint, or you can just choose the blank slide. From here, you still have option to choose. You can right click on the slide itself and then choose layout, and you can choose, as you can see here, there's many options to choose from. If you're going to add a picture to your slide, you can click the one here, or if you just, this is the title, you can choose it from here. So there's many options in PowerPoint. As you can see here, you have a design where you can choose it, how the slide going to look like, and this is all option you have and a slide. So what I done here, let me close this. I create my own slide to show you. So what we can do here, we can change the background or color of slide. If you see here, it's a format, a background. This is where we can change the background of this slide. So what I can do, I choose this as to be a new background slide, and as you can see here, I can change the color or background of the slide, as you can see, based on what you want to do. But this is a good option to change. There's many things you can do here. You can hide, you can change this, you can do, as you can see here, this is still option, and I love this color. And you can do as an individual slide, or you can do for the whole slide. You can still change the color, as you can see here. This look great. So that's another option. If I want to put a section in between, I already choose this one before, but if I want to choose, I can rename this, and this one should be information security. This is information security framework, and I can choose a, as you can see here, we'll be able to make a section in between the slide. This is a good option if you are talking for different topics, and that's how you can do it. You can do it in all these slides. You know, you can't do it. Let's say you're going to present. If you can see on the bottom here, you have option to put a note here. So when you are talking, this used as a reference for you. So if you want to talk about the type of information security, like it's physical and technical and organizational or management, that's have a different term. It can be organizational or it can be management. So you have a technical and physical. But I'm not teaching you today about information security. But this is how you can put a note here. And if you can see here, this is information security goal, which is integrity and availability and confidentiality. But that's a different topic. So you can put a note here when you are talking. What is integrity? You can define them here on the bottom, put them here. So when you talk, you can use it as a reference, so you can, reminding you what you're talking. So you can put a note here as you present your slide too. Another option, I don't know if you can see it here, there's a different option. So you can sort out the slide. You can put a read view. As you can see here, your slide now is in read view, where you can click next it gives you a different option. You know, this is an overview, and here you can exit, you can end the slide. Now, as you can see, if you're going to go back to where the slide looked like before, is how you do it. So there's many options here you have. Let's say if I want to use the same slide as it is. So I'm not changing anything. I just want, for some reason, I'm trying to double this thing. So this is option U. So now we have the same slide. It became 2. So the number of my slide right now became 6 instead of 16. So the new slide, it gives you a new slide. If I want to delete this because I don't need it anymore, you can just click delete. Another option, you can reset this, you can hide the slide, you can publish the slide. You have an option also to share your slide. If you see on the right, on the top right, is the option to share. You can share a slide with different people by sending an email. So let's say we want to save this slide. Let me do this. If I want to save, I'm going to click File. As you can see in the Save option, Save As, you have an option to save this in OneDrive. Like I have one, I can save it. I can save it in the desktop. I can save it in the document. I can add a new place, meaning the place is not exist in this, so it's not an option. So I can add a place. I can also look for a new place to save it here. I can save it in my under the user here, or I can find a new place. It depends where you want to save this option, or to save your slide or PowerPoint. So this is a save option. Another option, you have more option here. You can add it, but that's not what we're doing today. So as you can see, I was able to change the first slide, the color of background, as you can see here, but I can apply it to whole PowerPoint. It's up to you what you want to do, and this is how you create, manage, and work in PowerPoint 2016. Thank you. If you have a question, let me know.